While owning property comes with the right to manage and profit from it, greed must never override justice, fairness, or the rule of law. Unfortunately, some landlords exploit legal loopholes, misrepresent facts, and act with disregard for tenants' rights in pursuit of excessive personal gain. This essay serves as a firm reminder to greedy landlords about their obligations under the Maharashtra Rent Control Act, 1999, particularly Section 56(I), and the moral implications of their actions. The law is clear. Compensation is mandatory. Section 56(I) of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act unequivocally requires landlords to provide tenants with fair market value compensation if eviction occurs for bona fide reasons. Ignoring this provision is not only a violation of the law, but an act of blatant greed. Reminder: no landlord is above the law. The legal requirement for compensation is non-negotiable, and attempts to circumvent it will not go unnoticed. Greed harms vulnerable tenants. Tenants, especially in pagri tenancies, often belong to lower-income groups who rely on their homes for stability and security. Evicting tenants without fair compensation devastates their lives, pushing them into financial and emotional distress. Reminder: greed-driven actions may temporarily benefit you but cause irreparable harm to those less privileged. Such actions are morally indefensible. Undervaluation and deception are unethical. Landlords who deliberately undervalue premises or manipulate facts to gain favorable judgments reveal a lack of ethics. Misrepresentation of property size or value for personal profit is not only dishonest but also invites legal repercussions. Reminder: deception may yield short-term gains, but it will ultimately damage your reputation and expose you to legal consequences. Profiting from unclean hands. Greedy landlords often misuse the judicial process, filing suits with unclean hands to dispossess tenants unfairly. This abuse of the system erodes the very foundation of justice. Courts are meant to protect rights, not to serve as tools for exploitation. Misuse of the judiciary reflects poorly on your integrity. Wealth cannot justify injustice. While property ownership is an asset, wealth does not grant the right to trample on others' rights. Denying tenants their due compensation reflects a mindset that prioritizes greed over humanity. True success lies in fairness and justice, not in amassing wealth through exploitation. Short-term gains, long-term losses. Evicting tenants without proper compensation may offer immediate financial benefits, but it damages community relations and invites prolonged legal battles. The cost of greed often outweighs its rewards. Reminder: short-sighted actions can lead to reputational and financial losses in the long run. Ignoring the spirit of the law. The Maharashtra Rent Control Act seeks to protect tenants and ensure balance in landlord-tenant relationships. By prioritizing profit over compliance, greedy landlords violate the very spirit of this legislation. Reminder: laws are created to ensure fairness. Flouting them exposes your greed and undermines justice. Greed reflects poor character. Landlords who prioritize excessive profit over fairness tarnish their character and legacy. Such behavior not only diminishes societal respect, but also sets a poor example for future generations. Reminder: your actions define your legacy. Choose fairness and justice over greed and exploitation. A call for reflection. Greedy landlords must recognize that their actions have far-reaching consequences. By denying tenants their rightful compensation, they not only violate the law, but also harm lives and erode trust in the judicial process. Final reminder: the true measure of success is not in the wealth amassed, but in the fairness and integrity displayed in dealing with others. Uphold the law, respect tenants' rights, and act with humanity. Greed may bring temporary gains, but fairness builds lasting respect and peace.